Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Simone, and for today's video she is creating this Christmas butterfly face paint for us. So if you want to know how to create this one, please keep watching. To start out this makeup we have just a regular face painting sponge, and on it is the color Star Green by Superstar, a new very lovely light metallic green color. And once the basic shape of the butterfly is on the skin, we continue with a split cake by Diamond FX. This one is called Mega Melon. It has pink, white and green colors in there, and with the pink side of this split cake Simone is creating the wings of our butterfly. On to another split cake by Diamond FX. This one is called Green Carpet, and with this Simone is creating the holly that will be on the forehead but also just next to the eyes. So I will only show this on one side of the face, but the holly goes on both sides. And of course, if you are creating holly, you also need that lovely red berries. That is done with a Paradise color by Meryl. This is just the basic red one. As you can see, it is a lovely red color. Some curls, some teardrops, an outline for the holly in dark green, and some white on the butterfly wings. Obviously, we do need some extra teardrops, stars and dots, and a few highlights as well. There are the stars. And the dots. Finally, a nice red lipstick. And with that, our Christmas butterfly face paint for today is done. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.